Here we have a Mercedes X-Class pickup. It is a limited edition unhinged model. And as you can see, it is an eyeful. Full LED lighting, top of the range power model. As you can see, everything's been blacked out. Got the fancy grills on, the bars on, even the tints on the fog lights. We've got this massive unhinged body kit fitted, as you can see down the sides. Huge, massive VELARE wheels, 20-inch, with these massive Renegade rugged terrain tyres. Really do set it off nice. Massive width, 285s. Bars being done, gloss blacked, everything gloss blacked out. It's got the sports bar on, unhinged logos on, everything's been painted, crackle black. Lots of extras on this. 360 cameras, factory fitted TOWBAR, WESTFALIA. Cameras on there. High turbo. Twin turbos on these. Inside, folding mirrors. Headlining black extra. Optional extra on that. As we can see, sat nav, multimedia, auto, diff lock, which is quite a rare on these, so true off-road capabilities. Camera, you've got your lane change, your parking sensors front and rear, all auto, lights, wipers. These Mercedes are real good bit of kit. You can see a side view from that. These unhinged vehicles are limited edition ones. You won't find one the same. Everyone is built as a one-off. Tinted backlights, wind deflectors. Stunning vehicle. So if you're interested in this vehicle, be quick, get in touch with me, Mark, Custom Van Creations, 07790 135 714. Thank you.